Do, 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 do. They're doing like a deal in the chat. They're doing yeah, I need money. I want money. For today. Move puppies. You're cute, but if you don't move, I'm gonna have to kill you. I don't care about a version of Java. No buts. Love a settle. Dang it, a TV. Oh my god. Well, these are really good people. This one's Hex, this one's Sniffle Dibble, this one's this one's Shayzilla. I can't read that. This one. I completely forgot his name. I'm sorry. I'm super sorry. I didn't mean it. Last episode I told you what happened. You guys know. Step inside for a bit. Yes, I did not build this. This person did. But I built this, and I didn't get much done on it. Still the same. I did put place matter. Still, when I put the sign, I gotta add more stuff. But for today, I wanted to make something more useful like to this, because I go AFK on the server all the time. All the time, I go AFK. And when I go AFK, I was like, man, I wish I could put this to like something useful. Now, I much very well can. I want to build something. It's like an AFK grinder. It grinds mobs while I'm sitting here AFK. It's a brilliant idea. It's not that good of an idea, actually. But still, we're gonna use it, and I don't care. First things first, it's gonna take a lot of flipping space. Like, no joke, this is gonna take a bit of space. So get the popcorn, get all the chips. This is gonna take a bit. Don't worry, I have something planned. I don't have much fancy. This is all I have. JK, I have way more. So we have plenty of stone and cobblestone and stuff. I was grinding mobs after this. So we have plenty of cobblestone to build it, and it's not going to look very too pleasant. Here's the hard part. It's not going to look that pleasant, so we're going to have to build it underground, because, yeah. We have plenty of stone though, so I think we'll be... People are, like, having a tantrum, like, yeah, I want it for this price. And they're like, no, I want it for this price. No deal then. Fine, ain't nobody gonna buy your stuff. Fine, this price. I probably made myself sound like an idiot there. You guys probably have. You're probably like, what is he even saying? I can't even hear him saying. Well, where are we gonna start? we should start on digging. I expanded out my claim so I can build here. This is where all the magic's gonna go down. We need to be standing here. It's gonna be an awful simple grinder. Because I want to be able to AFK. Like, if I sit there for like all night, and AFK. What kind of loot do you think I'll get? I'll get some pretty flippin' dope loot. Because I'm gonna set up creepers and things. And I'm gonna get like farms that can like boost my health. Do I have another thing? Oh, please. Please help. Stop. Actually, I may not be needing any cobblestone because I'm building this flippin' underground. Like, for this part, yeah, I'll need cobblestone. Quick question. This is where the hoppers magic can go. I want to make this look a bit nicer than it is by making. Nobody's even gonna see down here. People are gonna see down here a lot more than people will actually think. No, don't let people come down because I don't care what you guys say. I think this is a smart idea, and I like what I'm doing. Shut up, Bob. You didn't. Your opinion doesn't matter. It does. Okay, so right now, I was gonna do a story time, but I don't have any good story time. So I need to get some sort of mushroom. I won't die if I jump down there, because yes, diamond armor does do something. But I also have an actual, but I'm not going to need half this due to the fact that I'm building it almost completely underground, but I am going to need some of it. I'm going to need some chests too. I already have a saddle. Some chests, maybe some glass, I never know. In addition to the shop, I'm going to be adding some cooked mutton, some rose red dye, and I'm going to be adding some flippin' stone, because I have tons of it. Maybe some other things that you suggest. Not selling that disc. It's the only one I have. I don't want to sell it. I knew it's a good. I knew I had a good build. I'm gonna test it out with these 3 skeletons. Shadow is a really awful weird person. Like we don't question Shadow. Like that's like against the rules. Well, there's only one way to test it. That's gonna kill a mob. I live to that due to the fact I have acrobatics. Acrobatics, yeah. Yes, I have acrobatics. Slash home. The name of my home is literally home, so I have to type slash home every time I want to go home. I'm just gonna eat my face like that. Okay. Got the spawners. I have a few other spawners that I'm going to be adding. Not the guardian spawner. I'm going to be adding the zombie spawner. And the creeper spawner too. Especially the skeleton spawners. Skeleton spawners are fun. I'm going to use it. I have a lot of them. I'm going to be a protective spot to AFK. Okay, now what? Now we need water. Yep, that's what we need now. We need water. I may or may not. Okay, we don't need these things. Slash where SHLPay. Stop. I bought these from not from last episode. There. I need some of this. There we go. Slash home. I should make it slash home H, but then I'd type slash home and be like, oh right, I never did slash home H. Nah, change it back to slash home. Okay, yeah, you guys get the point. I only need 5 of these. What? This does not help. There. All fixed. I'll make 2 more. Reasons of this is pretty tall. So, of course, I'm the one who's going to be living by jumping down that hole. So first, like I said, they need to be pushed down somehow. So, water. Water will push these things down. Yeah, that's what's going to happen. We're going to make water push these things down into this hole, all the way down there. That trippy? Probably not. Probably be more trippy if I jump down there. Hurts my head though. I don't know about your guys' heads. Maybe your heads are bulletproof heads. Does it have those? Does it have like a bulletproof breathe-through mask thing that you can like shoot bullets at, and it like doesn't penetrate? They need to add that to real life. Such ad. They need to add it. Don't think you're super smart if you go like, you know what? I'm gonna get double cash by mining diamonds. So no. If you mine diamonds with silk touch, the game's like, oh wait, you're mining diamonds with silk touch again, and you're remining the diamonds. No. I'm not allowing that. No. Nah. No. Gross. Yeah. I won't say that anymore, promise. Okay, I need to use the rest of this iron for buckets. I like the rest of it, but something. No. Is a bucket even a tool? No, it should be a tool. I consider a bucket a tool. I don't know about you guys, but I consider tools. That'd be a funny video. Buckets are tools too. Is it possible to add something to real life if we're in a video game? But we're not. Not 2D anti-physics people with great caps. Please don't tell me we're. And like I said, this isn't gonna look really great. It's not gonna look good. Nor is it meant to look good. Don't know why my nose was so touch. So don't get triggered if this doesn't look good to you. This. Please don't get triggered. It annoys me if you get triggered because then I have something that's triggered and it makes me triggered. And then that's when the glitch comes in. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What did I have to count? Because this is gonna be kind of like my other one. It's gonna be really good one. Like very pro ski, very pro like. Now I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna make an infinite water source over here because I really am not feeling it to walk all the way back over there. I have an idea. The reason I made this 8 so I can plop water down there. Like, boom. No, no, God, please, no, God, no, no. Okay, boom, boom. I hope this doesn't backfire like last time. No. That's exactly why. Don't worry, let's fix a bow. It's kind of flexible. So they are gonna be pushed into that trench. Stop dead surface there. What? What? What happened? Oh, I think it's because that. I need to fix that now, like right now. Fish home. Okay, here's how this is gonna go down. Need some sticks. Now, this should immediately fix the problem. Because I know why the water's like that. There's so now if I put this here, it pushes them all the way down. But to keep it, to make sure this I live, I need to make sure they don't live because they can't live still. There's still water going down. Let's make this a whole little simpler. Now, Just take all this right here and then boom. Now, because I did that, I need to. I'm gonna do the easier part. Putting the spawners in. I'm not gonna use that zombie spawner. I'm not using that for this. I'm using that for like my grinder that I use to like get my sword skill on my melees and my unarmed skill up. This guy's really. Because that works. That 100% works. Don't tell me you could be like, you're able to like swim right here. Oh right, they can't. They aren't. They can't do that. Don't worry, false alarm. They can swim, but they can't stay put swimming. I don't think. I'm not super smart, but I know that they can't stay put while swimming. They move. Okay, I have this shovel that goes 4 million kilometers per hour. Not too far, not too far. Perfect. So here's what's gonna be going down. I'm gonna climb down here with my ladder. And the ladder's gonna be right here. And this hole's gonna be flat. I'm gonna have this right here. We're gonna make a crafting table because I don't have the correct resource. At the moment. Let's dig a bit. Let's dig around. You'll understand why I made those extra hoppers that I didn't need, but I do need them. It's for a pretty valid reason. First of all, I need some of these. A little pack of these. Can't put in place. That is a reason. So I can remove these. I don't know why we're switching. Pickaxe. I don't have too much space. And so when they fall, these aren't meant to be here. They fall down. But you see, we have a problem. Chests fill up in Minecraft, so that's why I made the extra hoppers. It's pretty obvious. I'm not gonna lie, that was really obvious. What? No, not everything in the world. Oh no. Did I just put... Dang, that's probably my main... I got that thing wrong. Now we have to do /home. Of my skeleton spawners. They're gonna make me a lot of bone wheel. And this bone wheel is gonna be worth a lot. Can make a cow. Put cows in there too. Probably be way more efficient for grinding the wool and cow and stuff. How am I gonna? What do I need? I need ladders. First of all, I do not need half of this stuff, like at all. So I'll put all that away. I know where some ladders are. And this one, correct. But I know that there's more ladders though. I think we're good on the ladder part. Now, I'm gonna have to make that jump. I know if I don't have completely full health, I may die. Get that jump, or... Okay. See, look at that. That increased my acrobatic skill by 1. This is really awkward silence. So now I could... Thank you. This is like a how long is that? Oh wait, not too long, but more. Okay, so this is all. God, I need to remove that. I am really bad at this. Can't even Minecraft as good as my. It's much harder. So do I need to put slabs? Because I don't feel like I need to put slabs. Like I need to put slabs here. Yeah, I do need to put slabs. So none of the stuff falls out. Okay, well we got all of that done. Now let's get some skeleton spawners. Let's put the spawners in. Skeleton spawners first, because I have 3 of them, and I can. This thing has a thing that I can upgrade my spawners. Not physically, like right click, pay like an amount of money. You need another spawner to upgrade a spawner. Now, when they said that, that immediately made sense to me. I was like, oh, I instantly get this. Oh crap! I'm dead. If I grab the ladder, I may live. Okay. Only when it comes to my life, I live. Because I'm dead inside. Upgrade. You have to place it on top. So now I gotta place this plate because I may or may not get shut off. But they don't. I don't know why they don't burn glass. Like if you put glass, they burn. That'd be cool if they can burn through glass. There'd be cool chambers made for zombies and skeletons and stuff that you make the burn glass, glass should be burned. Okay, I'm gonna put one more layer. Hero, my love. You've come back. I don't know. I don't know who they're talking. I wanna question it, but I don't wanna question it's very weird what these people think. Cause oh crap. I can't stay alive near this thing for my own feet. Here, I'm taking. I'm so triggered. Who puts that in the chat? Like, I don't even know what kind of drugs that guy's on, but dude, you don't put that in the chat. That's like, you don't put that in the chat. No, please, and just like take that out of the chat. Can you like clear the chat so like we don't know what he has to. Please run off of no spawner. The reason nothing's spawning is because it's too light. But if I go to a dark room, now here's where all the magic starts going down. This thing still doesn't work. And it probably won't work. Now skeletons can spawn. Here's where all the magic mainly goes down. So here's where I'm gonna go AFK at. Last wall. You guys are dead either way. Last wall. Box. And boom. This is really crappy due to, like, it's really crappy. But hey, it spawns at a quick enough rate for me to go AFK. And I'm not putting a door because they can shine through a door, but it's good enough for now for me to go AFK. That's all I'm gonna finish going to that there. And these are strength crystals, by the way, and not just pulling some random things my offhand. Like, why would I ever do that? Why would I like ever just start holding random things in my offhand and just start like holding dumb things in my hand? Well, that note. Should give me an intro. Nah, I don't think people would want to listen to my intro for 5 seconds or 9 seconds. When you go inside of my feed, you know what time it is, right? Sorry. Sorry, I gotta go. You guys figured that I don't